How to buy USDT on Moonpay. To buy USDT, which is basically Tether on Moonpay, you have to follow the steps which you can see over your screen. First of all, you have to visit Moonpay website and now you have to log in, right? So to log in, you need to have an account. If you don't have an account, you can create by scanning this QR code or just click on sign up. So once I click on sign up, I can access or create an account of Moonpay by using my Google ID or Apple ID too. Now, once you have made your Moonpay account, here you have to open your Moonpay website, or you can also do it by using this application. On the Moonpay homepage, right, locate and select USDT Tether as the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Moonpay support various cryptocurrencies, so ensure you choose USDT. Now here you have to enter the purchase amount, that whatever amount you want to buy the USDT, you can use or buy, you can use your local currency to buy USDT. So Moonpay provide a conversion tool which help to calculate the equivalent amount of USDT based on your local currency, which is very nice. Now here you have to provide wallet address. Enter the USDT wallet address where you want to receive the purchase USDT. Ensure that you provide the correct wallet address, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. So make sure this is very important, right? Here, now once you have selected each and everything, now here you have to verify your identity. This is basically done by Moonpay to know their customer. So you have to give your personal information such as name, address, email, phone number, right? And then you have to select your payment method. You will only able to see the payment method when you have verified your identity. Now choose your preferred payment method. It can be credit or debit cards, bank transfer, PayPal, or whatever it could be. Now here, once you have selected your payment method, make sure that the money is into your account. Now here you have to complete the purchase. To complete it, you have to review the transaction details and just click on pay or swipe up. That's it. Now here you have to wait for confirmation, which will usually you will get a notification from Moonpay website or in the application, and you will also get an email to your email address from Moonpay. Now, after you have purchased this cryptocurrency USDT, here you have to check your USDT wallet to ensure that the purchased USDT has been successfully deposited into your account. You should see USDT balance reflect in your wallet within a short period of time. Now everything is done. Make sure that you verify each and everything, and this is how you can buy USDT on Moonpay. I hope you found this video very useful.